Playing a dangerous game, I know.
It's got the physics and we try it out.
Oh, take me with you. Take me with you. Actually, you know what? I'll just follow you. Is this... How fast do you go?
You can hit 200.
Okay, hold on. I'll just hop on this. Oh, damn it. Oh, fuck, okay. Steering is not quite 1-to-1.
Hold on, let me get the right engine sound here.
It's about 1 to 1.5. There's a part of me that wants to take a nap, but I know what will happen if I do. Damn, you caught some hair. Excellent, sir, excellent.
I hit you, right? Oh my god.
You said I hit you, right?
No, the best one was I hit you right and then I hit reverse. You know how it does auto look like? You know, so down.
Oh, that's what you saw me? I thought you saw the whole thing happen. No, that's not. Damn, you didn't even feel it.
Oh my god.
Probably because I crashed into you as you crashed.
Yeah. We were talking about completely different. You really have to care for the fun. Oh, but it's so mad at you. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Shit. You tried that out.
What?
Hold on. You're not doing it any justice. Right side, right side. Okay, maybe forget it.
Fuck. I can't take that turn from the left side. Oh, bro. Gross. Gross, what are you doing?
I was
Get
on
ahead
the
of me.
inside. Depend on me.
Get the fuck ahead of me.
No, I was turning on the inside. You fucked up. I've been doing fine this whole time. Except for right now. What the hell? Steering wheel did not know what to do. I got a janky back wheel. It's fun when you're driving. It's not fun when you're crashing. Yo, it's like you crash once and you have to go through the lift. Don't just crash once. You gotta crash one how to drive. Real quick. Oh, I see.
When we drive, you have to be much softer on the gas coming out the corner. You have to
Yo,
press.
tell me that. Hold on. Right now? Is this because but my steering wheel is cocked sideways, like, I need a wheel line.
Yes, it will happen.
I didn't think that would happen. Probably now that you change things, because, well, I've crashed the car before and the steering wheel would stay straight, but now, my wheel is...
Now I need
It
an
is
alignment.
sideways.
What the fuck?
I need a fucking alignment. I'm like, hey, yo, what? Hold on. Something ain't right. Everything is wrong. Oh, that is too funny. That's why you don't know you get back to it, bro.
You said now you need that choice. Ah, fuck.
Wow. In the repair shop, the steering wheel straight.
Well, lift off oversteer is a thing now.
Yeah. Not cool.
What?
I said it is kind of cool.
They didn't say you could make GTA driving sim. I made GTA driving sim. I don't want to hear no nigga ever say anything's not possible ever again in life, nigga.
I second that motion. I second that emotion, nigga. I second that emotion.
This hypnotic, this robotic, pull the plug and push to start it, take a step, disregard it, push my button, push to start it, this hypnotic, this robotic, pull the plug and push to start it, take a step, disregard it, push my button.
Alright, any of the cars from, some of the cars from Midnight Dynamics are, open racing.
No. You gotta know the exact name of their model numbers as well.
Yep, it's just
Now that I got it figured out, it's a whole different experience. Know what the rear wheel drive card is? You gotta keep the suspension kind of loaded, so it's like you never want to really fully let go of the gas.
Oh yeah?
Because then you offset the weight of the car, you know what I'm saying? And then the back end comes out loose. if you do, like, press the brake when you're only going in a straight line, don't do it in a turn. Because they'll push the weight to the front of the tire, therefore making the back kick out easier.
This hypnotic, this robotic, pull the plug and push to start it, pick a step, disregard it, push my button, push to start it.
Really, what's also interesting is how your changes have affected force feedback. A lot of the settings I was messing with before don't quite respond the same. Oh, I see what you mean now. Because before I was like completely letting go of the gas.
Nah, when you let go of the gas, the back end gets loose.
That's, yeah, I'm saying, and I'm noticing that now when I'm taking the turn, I'm like, if I really want to make it around that turn, keep some gas, keep some pressure applied on the gas.
Yeah.
Doesn't even have to be a whole lot, just momentum, just some momentum.
Yeah, to have your foot on the gas.
Because that turn I was struggling to take before, I'm now taking it at 160. That turn I was taking at 60, I just took it at 80.
That helps with keeping the car balanced. You know what I'm saying? Because remember, with the changes I made, look how much the cars move now compared to before.
Yeah.
So fast.
On the right side of the stage, chicane. Oh my god. You can even just feather the gas coming around the turn.
No, that's what I mean.
You gotta keep it. Oh yeah. Before I was like trying to keep it a little applied. It's just not just feather. Just that shit.
Well, it depends on the car.
Oh, this is so much better than how I was looking around before. I get it now. Car said, don't worry, we'll keep suspension, just keep your foot on gas. Trust.
What car you got?
The Turismo, same car, but
Oh.
the thing I don't normally do, keep the same car.